Hey there, good people. I'm Scott, and this is Sword and Shield Studio. Right now, we're going to learn about what some of the best settings are to export your videos from Davinci Resolve to YouTube. Right, so let's get into it. So I am here on the Delivery tab of Davinci Resolve, where I have a project that I am ready to export. Davinci Resolve has a preset YouTube export option at the top here. So wait a minute, why am I making this tutorial? There's a preset YouTube option. Well, this works fine if you want to quickly upload something like a vlog, for instance, where quick delivery is the most important thing over image fidelity. However, this doesn't give you complete control over the codec and the data rate and all the fine-tuned settings you may want to adjust. So if you're uploading a complete project or something for a client, I still recommend using the custom settings here. Once you're in the custom settings, select a file name. I'll name it animation. Choose a location. I'm just going to save it in the videos folder. Then you'll want to select your format, either MP4 or QuickTime. MP4 will give you a .mp4 file, where QuickTime will give you a .mov. It's just a different container. It's whatever you prefer. For codec, choose H.264. This is an industry standard lossy codec that YouTube accepts and likes, so we're going to stick with that. For encoder, choose NVIDIA or AMD, whichever is available for your hardware. For me, that's NVIDIA. If neither of them are available, you can go ahead and choose native, that's fine. Resolution, match the resolution of your project. In my case, that's 4K or 3840 by 2160. Just match whatever your project is. Frame rate, again, match your project. In this case, it's 60 frames per second. Restrict your bit rate to 80,000 kbps. Scroll down where you see advanced settings and expand it. Check use render cached images. Force sizing to highest quality and force debayer to highest quality. Then you can add to render queue, start your render, and you're done. Well, what if you want to come back to these settings at a later time? Say, for instance, you upload the same types of videos you might if you're uploading to YouTube. Simply go up to the three dots at the top right of your render settings window here. Click Save as New Preset. Enter your preset name, animation, I'll call it, for instance. Either hit enter or click OK. And boom, you've got your preset up here at the top of your render settings window, available for you anytime you want to repeat those specific render settings. So at the end of the day, I found that these settings were a good compromise between the highest quality settings you can set in Davinci Resolve and the bare minimum required from YouTube. In the future, I may upload a video with a more in-depth look at the delivery page and what each individual setting means. This, however, was just a good quick start guide to get your videos up and running on YouTube as fast as possible with as little explanation as possible. Hope it was helpful. I'll see you next time.